I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks that will help you in editing your Canva Crash course. First, we're going to change the cover. I'm going to go down here to Photos on our left menu, and I'm going to type in leather. Just going to grab this first one, but remember, anything that has a crown is a pro feature. So if you are only a free user, there are plenty of options to choose from. You can go here and select free, so it will only show you free options. So let's just use this free option. Not something I would actually really choose, but for the sake of time, we're just going with it. Next, I'm going to change the colors of the tabs. We're going to select this pink block up here, and we're going to change it to this light brown. At the bottom, it is asking us if we want to change everything in our design that was this pink to this light brown. And we're going to say change all. Now all of the tabs are going to change. So let's change another one. We'll select this darker brown. And again, we're going to change all. Now the only thing that is not going to change colors are anything that has multiple text options or colors in the same text box. With these, this has a different color and two different texts in here. So these colors will not change. You'll have to go in and individually change these colors. Let's change the font. We're going to go up here where it says Tan Nimbus, and we're going to select a new font. Let's choose Sunborn. It's asking us if we want to change all, and we are going to change all. And you will see throughout your design, it is going to change all. Say you want to change out this font to something that is in your brand, you can select Open Sans, and then change all. Now, when you change a font, sometimes, as you can see here in this page, it is going to not look the same on the page. We are going to fix anything in our design, change up the sizing, anything that we need to change, we have to double check going through our design. Again, the colors of these will not change with the change all because there's two different colors here. What we can do is we can come through here. Let's choose green. And then let's change the size. And I'm going to just show you a little trick that I like to use. Say we want to change everything in our design to this color, all of the headings to this color and this size. We're going to go to More, where these three dots are in the top right. If this menu is not open, it will just be showing in your top menu, but we're going to go to these dots. We're going to select the paint roller. What you're going to do is you will go and tap and change the style for that. And each individual one, you'll just go back up, change the style, and you'll do that throughout your design. Now for this is a photo background. So you cannot change the color of this. So if you want to add a new photo, you can add a new photo. If you want to remove this completely, you can remove that completely and add shadows to these photos. So edit photo, add a shadow, glow. That is the shadow I have chosen throughout. And then same thing, you would have to individually glow each of these because they're all different photos because that is a grid. You can go through and do that. And again, see how our spacing is messed up here. So let's go into spacing. We can actually shrink the spacing between the letters here to fix this issue. And let's change it down. Let's do size 11. And then what we'll do again is we will copy the style throughout the entire page. And then it's going to fix any of those mistakes. See, we need to do that here. Let's go back up and select that style, then our paintbrush, and copy the style. Make sure when you're editing, you go through, especially when you are using a change all option, go through and make sure each individual piece is fixed. Say you don't like these photos that I chose. You can also change out these photos as well. Let's just choose some things from the trending option. We're going to drag over the photo and just replace. Simple as that. Now, if you decide to do that, you will need to replace the screenshot as well. I highly recommend doing that. And what I did when I screenshotted was I just made this bigger, screenshotted, and then cropped it out and added a shadow. Edit, shadows, glow. That is another way. And again, same with this frame. If you're not into the pink, you can go through and add in whatever you would like. Again, we want to adjust anything that needs to be adjusted. But these are just a few tips and tricks that are going to help you edit this faster. A lot of people don't know about the change all tools. Those are extremely helpful. And let me see if there's anything else I can think of. Make sure you pay attention as well if there's anything that is locked. So if you can't change something or you can't move something, it is likely because it is locked. So all we do is we click twice to unlock it. If you want to lock it again, you will lock it. But there you go.